topic for today's session: difference between equal to operator and equal method in C#. In this session we will learn what are the difference between equal to operator and equal method in C#. Equal to operator compare if the object reference are same, and equal method compare if the content are same. Let's check with example. In this Visual Studio having created one object obj having value Arvind, and object obj1 having some value. In the first example, the content are same but their object are different, and in console.write line I am written object equal to object 1, and in next line object 1 equals object in scenario 1. In scenario 2 simply written toString and compare with equal to operator and equal method. In third scenario I am written one integer variable and one byte variable. The value of both the variable is same, and again we compare with equal to operator and equal to method. Let's check the output. Okay, in the first scenario the output is false, and second output is true. Means when we compare two different object with equal to operator, it will return the false, and in equal method basically check the content of the method, and in first scenario the object is different and return the false. In second scenario, actually in case of string having exception and both the string having same content, and in both the scenario return true, and in third scenario again return true. These are the difference between equal to operator and equal method. Let's check some difference between equal to operator and equal to method. Equal to operator compare object references. Second point, if operands are value type, then their value are equal, it return true, else return false. Third point, if operand are reference type with exception of string and both reference to the same instance or same object, it return true, else return false. And fourth point, if operands are string type and their value are equal, it returns true, else return false, as we check in the example. In second scenario, in case of equal method, if operands are reference type, it perform reference equality, that is if both reference to the same instance or same object, it return true, else false. Second point, if operands are value type, then unlike equal to operator, it check for their type first, and if their type are same, it perform equal to operator, else it return false. These are some difference between equal to operator and equal method. If you have any query, please write in comment section.